I wanna go where eyes have never seen, where no ears ever heard a thing, a place no heart could ever dream, beyond what minds can imagine. A world untouched by pain and fear, a promise waiting on the other side. Paradise. No more tests, no more tears, no more trials. Paradise. Just to hold my mother in my arms. Paradise. Looking into my children's eyes. Paradise. Gardens beneath where the rivers flow. Paradise, where nothing will hurt anymore. No broken hearts, no heavy nights, no goodbyes, no final cries. Only peace, only light, only truth before my eyes. Paradise. No more tests, no more tears, no more trials. Paradise. Just to hold my mother in my arms. Paradise. Looking into my children's eyes. Paradise. Gardens beneath where the rivers flow. Paradise, where nothing will hurt anymore. Paradise, where nothing will hurt anymore.